How to change the clock face style of your Apple Watch. And this is the Series 6 or the Series 7. Let's get started. In order to change the style, basically without using the app itself, you'll long press on the clock face like this here, and you'll notice this will happen here, okay? And from here on, you can choose to go ahead and browse over until you see new or browse through the others that you might have had recently set up already. If you want to add a new one, you'll go to where it says new, and you'll just go down the list here and choose from one of these here. And each one of these have their own set of different styles, colors, and different layout, all right? So let's say I want to go with this one here. I'll go to add, and we can go down here, choose one of these here. We'll add that face here if you don't have it yet. Or let's say I go back here and choose from one of these here, okay? And this one is a pretty neat one here. So we'll go to this here and we'll go ahead and select add. And whenever you're ready to customize, you'll enter into the clock face style first. Then you can browse over like this here, and each one of them has their own special or unique type of add-ons here. Okay, so this one here, you can add your complications. And when you tap on the circle here, the available circle here, you can choose to add something from one of these here, and that's totally up to you. But I'm just showing you that you can do that. So I'll go ahead and add a next one here. And this right here, you can also choose from something else here as well. All right, let's just go with the compass here. That's going to be kind of neat here. And for this one, that's about it here. It doesn't seem like you can change the color on this one here. And just press the crown one more time and one more time, and you will have this right here. So this is a pretty neat one there. And you can just go ahead and browse and look for the one that you want. Once again, long press. And you can go ahead and choose from something that you might have had set previously. You can select this one here, and you can also go back and edit the one that you might have had before. And this one here in particular, you can go ahead and adjust the symbols here. You can roll the crown, spin it, I should say, and you can customize it. You can browse over here, the dial, the color. If you don't like the color, you can switch over to another color here. Pretty cool stuff if you ask me, okay? And once you've made your selection here, again, pressing the crown until you exit, like, sub, and thanks for watching.